is rain, Dusty, right is rain, but you know it may be hot inside there, but it is a dry heat.
By the way, Sparky, that's a very nice jacket you have on there. What kind of jacket is that anyway?
Why, it's a blazer, of course.
Speaking of blazing, who in their right mind wants to meet up with the business end of this death machine?
A bloke whooping back mad, that's what I think as a brick kid, me. And who might you chance be?
We're Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, humble servants of the Most High God. And who are you guys? Do you work for the king?
Does a one-legged duck swim in circles? Alright, I'll answer your political question. We're the Burnskeepers. High-minded king himself. We keep the birds full, like he should be, just in case it's needed. So what do you think of the king's gorgeous gathering